So hey y'all, and welcome back to week 2 of the Clean Eating Challenge, hosted by Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, Luann at It's Always Something Around Here, and myself, Leesah's Cottage. I was thinking, oh, I would really like some granola to make a strawberry parfait, and I have the fresh strawberries, I have the Greek yogurt. Now I'm going to make the nut melody granola, and I wanted to share that with you all. I had bought this several months back. I've never gone keto, however I was using some of the recipes to try to eat better and make better food choices. I have all the ingredients. Why not, right? Step 1, preheat the oven to 250, line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper set aside. Step 2, toss together the shredded coconut, almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts in a large bowl until mixed. In small bowl, stir together the coconut oil, stevia, cinnamon, and nutmeg until blended. Step 4, pour the coconut oil mixture into the nut mixture and use your hands to blend until the nuts are very well coated. Use the disposable gloves. Step 5, transfer the granola mixture to the baking sheets and spread it out evenly. Step 6, bake the granola, stirring every 10 to 15 minutes until the mixture is golden brown and crunchy, about an hour. You will want to keep an eye on that because ovens may vary. In the first batch I made, I should have pulled it out sooner than the 1 hour, so you might want to keep an eye on that. Step 7, transfer the granola to a large bowl and let the granola cool, tossing it frequently to break up the large pieces. Step 8, store the granola in airtight containers in the refrigerator or freezer up to 1 month. I don't think it will last that long here in my house, but that's an option. So I'm gonna get to mixing this stuff up, getting it in the oven, and getting it ready to make myself a homemade strawberry parfait. And that's just walnut powder in the bottom of the bowl because I used the same measuring glass cup to measure out my ingredients. And drops of the liquid stevia. Thought I would share. I don't know if it makes a difference, but it's the way I've done it in the past, and I've done this recipe a couple times. I think I've prepared it at least 2 times. It'll say, in a small bowl, stir together the coconut oil, stevia, cinnamon, and nutmeg until well blended. That's what's in this bowl. And then step 4, it reads, pour the coconut oil mixture into the nut mixture and use your hands to blend until the nuts are very well coated. I am just flipping it just a wee bit for those 2 steps here. In place of pouring this mixture, the dry mixture, into the wet mixture, I am going to pour the wet mixture into the dry. Does that make sense? Because this is the larger bowl and that's the smaller bowl. That's why I do it that way. Honestly, I'm not trying to complicate this or confuse you. Put my food handling gloves on and mix this up and make sure everything is coated evenly. Oh my goodness, it smells so good in here. Between the cinnamon and the nutmeg, haha, it smells wonderful. This would be an awesome recipe to make during the fall months because it would make your house smell like fall. And being that I'm not keto, even though this is coming out of a keto cookbook, you can use dried fruits. And I do have some cranberry, so I could have used that, but I didn't think about it until just now. So you could probably, if you're not keto either, you could put in whatever dry fruits that you think you would like in your granola mix. The first 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna put it in for another 10 minutes and just keep going until it's golden brown. This is 30 minutes. I'm gonna put it in another 10-minute cycle, and this is where I really start trying to pay attention to it, that it doesn't get too brown. So cycle number 4 of 10 minutes. This last round, which is gonna be about 50 minutes total, and that will be plenty brown enough and crunchy enough for me. I'll share that with you. So here's the finished look. This is what it looks like, and this is as brown as I want it. You would like yours just a wee bit browner. I think that's plenty brown, and I sampled one of the sliced almonds in there, and I felt like it was crunchy enough for me. I am looking forward to having my strawberry parfait tonight and the granola on top. Yummy, and I will call that dessert when I dessert the table. Yum. Now to put this in the refrigerator, it says you can store the granola in an airtight container, which that is what this is, in the refrigerator or your freezer up to 1 month. I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator for right now. She's in her kennel because I was in the kitchen working around the hot stove, and I didn't want her to come hopping and bouncing around, which she hops. She's a dog, but she hops like a bunny. We know beyond a shadow of doubt she is going to be a jumper. But they have been asleep for a long time. That means they are going to do some zoomies when they wake up. They're going to need to go outside and do their zoomies and their cray-cray. And this one's saying, who are you talking to? Because I don't see anybody. I bet Itty Bitty's gonna wake up. Now, I need to go through the potty for everybody. Get the potty done. Sneak in here and see if she's awake. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. I probably should have pottied Mama before I do this. Hi, Itty Bitty. Hi, baby. Oh, are you waking up? Huh? No? You're not waking up? Now, tell me she did not make you smile just now. That face. This is what I have been waiting for all day. I made the granola, which you all hung out with me while I made the homemade granola. And it's a yogurt, Greek yogurt on the bottom, and I put 2 packets of Trivia in the yogurt, and then the strawberries, and then the granola. This will be my dessert tonight. Yum.